So how does agentic AI helps us to move from monitoring problems to fixing things, right? So how does agentic AI helps improve customer experience?
A lot of times, network operations is flooded with alerts and dashboards and manual workflows. What really happens is that you are reactive, right? You're reactive to a problem that has already occurred. Everybody can say a DDoS has occurred, a DDoS attack has occurred, and Twitter is down. Right? Hundreds of thousands of people are impacted. But who's able to understand the early warning signals, right? Being able to be proactive. And then there are little glitches. Let's say your application, like you're on calls and your calls keep dropping every now and then, right? You call up your service provider, and the service provider is like, no, everything's looking fine. The network's all good, right? Our dashboards are all looking perfectly green, right? Now, but you are still unhappy, right? So the way to run analysis, investigations, right, is not manual. It's not through alerts. And what we bring in is the agentic AI framework, which is essentially looking at the very high fidelity data, which we, by the way, create at Canopus. This is all patented. We have around 8 patents around that. And the data, which we call, by the way, as super net flow, right? That data goes into our AI agents. And our AI agents are able to look at very fine-grained degradations. It's like imagine an earthquake's about to occur, right? Being able to find that small seismic shifts, right? And we're able to identify those slight degradations of experience, and then our AI agents kick in. They start running, sort of investigations, anomaly detection, correlations, commonality analysis, right? And then they look up various different data sources and then compile all the intelligence together. And then they come back with a very detailed report, which can be fed into your downstream systems, for example, email or orchestration and so on. Now imagine you have a world where you don't have people sitting and looking at alerts. You don't have manual dashboard workflows. You're doing all investigations automated. And this is obviously has a huge impact in terms of cost, in terms of time savings, and in terms of effort.